I love it when my granddaughter tells me about something that recently happened to her. She's passionate, animated, enthusiastic, and yet there are times when it's a little difficult to get the full picture and follow her story. And who can blame her? She's 3. She's learning how to be a great conversationalist. Does this happen with your little one when they're missing critical information to help you as a listener understand their story? Well, experience books can help them practice these important storytelling and conversation skills. In this video, I'll explain what experience books are, why they work, and the extra benefits for children who are deaf or hard of hearing. Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Caraway with Hearing First. We're here to help and support families just like yours who have a child with hearing loss. While all children, even my little granddaughter, need to practice their conversation and storytelling skills, children with hearing loss often need extra practice with skills like knowing what information the listener needs, what order to provide the information, how much detail to include, and how the listener will relate to the story. What is an experience book? Well, it's a homemade book put together by you and your child to capture what's happened in their life, from a big event like a vacation or the first day of school to smaller day-to-day activities like going to the park. Once made, these books help your child share events from their point of view with others and have an engaging conversation. They can practice telling what happened, where they went, and what they did. Here are just some of the amazing benefits of experience books. They're a great way to get them talking. Your child is learning how to tell stories in their own words. Your baby who is just learning to turn pages will love to see photos of themselves and their family. As they grow into a toddler, they're starting to have their own thoughts and feelings to share. And preschoolers love to recount their experiences again and again. Experience books help your child with their memory as they reflect and recall what happened. Keeping and revisiting information in their brain is a key part of learning and development. Having the ability to talk about beyond the here and now, to share about what happened in the past is important. They help develop vocabulary and other important literacy skills. Experience books help your child as they begin to develop their skills needed for later reading comprehension. It's a great way to learn new and different words through meaningful experiences. Their vocabulary grows as you introduce new words to your child that have a similar meaning. For example, "You were so happy at your birthday" can become "You were delighted," "You were thrilled," "You were excited" at your birthday. They help you learn more about what interests your child. Notice what your child shares about what they remembered. This will tell you what was important about the experience to them, which may be different than what stood out to you. The best part is that they're easy to make, can be totally free, use items you already have, and create memories that last a lifetime. So are you ready to make your own experience books? Well, let's go. The easiest option is to grab some paper and fold it in half. Ask your child to tell their story. Maybe it's about a play date they had. Write down what they say at the bottom of the page, and then ask them to draw at the top of the page a picture of what happened. They're putting a picture to the words. Or you could ask them to draw first and then explain what's happening. Keep going on each page until the story is complete. Then you and your child can read their book together. Another option is to print out photos and write the story with your child. Tape the photos to the paper and then walk through the pages, asking your child to tell the story. "Oh, here we are at the beach. Remember how much fun we had collecting shells? Which shell was your favorite?" And you can write what they say on the pages, or keep it to just photos and practice telling the story aloud. Some parents like to use different apps to print and order books with the photos already included. It's totally up to you. You can even add photos to an album on your phone and just flip through them as you talk about the story together. That's an easy and free option, and it's a good example of how you can use screen time to make a meaningful interaction instead of a distraction. A child's story is always growing based on the experiences they have every day. If you'd like to learn more about experience books and explore the many wonderful ways you can use them, Hearing First has a free webinar just for you. Click the link below to sign up and come learn with us. We also have some helpful handouts you can download that tell you more about making and using experience books. Wherever you are on this journey and however you may be feeling, you are not alone. Hearing First is here to help you every step of the way. If you'd like to meet other families of children with hearing loss, you can join our private Facebook group. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more helpful videos, and visit hearingfirst.org to find more resources and support on this journey.